Hey everyone! Do you want to burn 1,000 calories in 30 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. We're diving into the top 5 calorie torching workouts you can do anywhere. No gym? No problem. All you need is your body, determination, and a few minutes with me today to transform your body. Let's jump right in. 1. The challenge of weight loss. Weight loss isn't just a physical journey, it's mental too. We've all been there, starting strong only to hit roadblocks along the way. But the trick? It's finding workouts that make you sweat without making you feel like you're forcing yourself. I've been there myself. Busy days, no time for the gym, and feeling stuck. But that's when I realized the power of doing high-calorie burn workouts at home. These exercises are about efficiency. Short bursts of intense movements that melt fat and build strength. 2. Overview of the 5 fat-burning workouts. Following is the list of the 5 fat-building workouts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, jump rope, body weight circuits, stair sprints or hill running, kickboxing or shadow boxing. Let's break these down so you know exactly what to do to burn those calories fast. Stick around, and I'll even give you tips to modify these if you're a beginner. 3. Workout 1. HIIT. Burn big in short bursts. First up, HIIT. This workout is about 30 to 45 seconds of explosive movements, followed by short rests. The result? Your body stays in fat-burning mode even after you're done working out. Yes, it's science. Thank you, Afterburn. In just 30 minutes, you can easily burn 500 to 1,000 calories. No equipment needed. Think burpees, squat jumps, and high knees. Start small if you need to, but keep that intensity high. 4. Workout 2. Jump rope, cardio king. Don't underestimate this one. Jumping rope torches calories fast. You can burn 1,000 calories in just 30 minutes of intense jumping. Plus, it's fantastic for coordination and heart health. Trust me, everyone stumbles. What matters is that you keep going. Set a timer and alternate between fast and slow jumps. Or challenge yourself to hit 1,000 jumps in a session. 5. Workout 3. Body weight circuits. No equipment, big results. Body weight circuits are perfect for when you want to sweat but don't have any equipment. Think push-ups, lunges, mountain climbers, and planks in a rapid-fire sequence. The goal is to keep moving. This type of circuit keeps your heart rate up while building muscle. It's a total body workout. And the best part? You can do it anywhere. Even 20 minutes will leave you drenched. 6. Workout 4. Stair sprints. All about power. Next on the list, stair sprints. Running stairs or hills combines cardio and strength, giving you a full-body workout that burns calories fast. With stair sprints, you're pushing against gravity, which helps build explosive power in your legs and core. Just 10 minutes of sprints can give you the same burn as 30 minutes of steady-state running. 7. Workout 5. Kickboxing or shadow boxing. Unleash your inner fighter. Who says cardio has to be boring? Kickboxing and shadow boxing are not just fun, they're killer calorie burners. They work your upper and lower body while engaging your core. You'll be surprised how fast time flies when focusing on combinations. And the added bonus? Stress relief. Punching it out is the best therapy sometimes. Am I right? 8. The power of consistency. Transform your body. Now here's the thing. No matter which workout you choose, consistency is the real magic. Transforming your body isn't about one epic session. It's about showing up day after day. These high-calorie burn workouts fit into any schedule, so there's no excuse. Every bit adds up, whether it's 10 minutes of jump rope or a full 30-minute HIIT session. 9. Quick recap and final words of encouragement. Let's recap. Your top 5 calorie torching workouts are HIIT for quick bursts of energy, jump rope to get your heart racing, bodyweight circuits, perfect anytime, anywhere, stair sprints for explosive power, kickboxing or shadowboxing to torch calories and release stress. The best part? No gym, no problem. You can do these workouts anywhere, anytime. Just remember, start where you are, push yourself, and most importantly, have fun. Tips and bonuses. Before you go, let me give you a few bonus tips to take your results even further. Because it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Bonus tip 1. Use intervals wisely. Even if you only have 10 to 15 minutes, try adding intervals. Alternate between all-out effort and recovery. Think 20 seconds of sprinting followed by 40 seconds of rest. You'll be amazed at how fast your heart rate skyrockets. Bonus tip 2. Track your progress. Set small goals. Whether it's beating the number of push-ups you can do or tracking how many jump rope skips you hit. Apps, fitness trackers, or even a simple notebook can keep you motivated. Bonus tip 3. Add resistance for extra burn. If you want to level up, grab some resistance bands or dumbbells. Adding a bit of weight makes your body work harder and builds muscle faster. More muscle equals more calories burned, even when you're resting. How awesome is that? Are you just getting started? No worries. Start with 5 to 10 minutes a day and build from there. What matters most is that you stay consistent. It's okay if you can't hit the 1,000 calorie mark right away. Every workout, no matter how short, is a step in the right direction. And remember, listen to your body. Rest days are part of the process too. One last thing. Your workouts are part of the process so far without the right fuel. A balanced diet is key to maximizing your results. Think lots of whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and veggies. And of course, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Staying hydrated helps with endurance and keeps your body functioning at its peak. Thank you for watching. If you found these workouts helpful, please share this video with your friends, leave a comment, and don't forget to like the video. I'd love to hear how these workouts work for you. Until next time, keep moving, stay strong, and let's transform together.